Okay, so npm enable run from folder. Enable running npm scripts contained in a folder from the Explorer context menu. So first of all, what npm scripts are we talking about? And we're talking about when you have a package.json file and you have the script object. So we're talking about these scripts right here, right? And other automatically detected scripts that VS Code finds if you have automatic detection enabled. And then what's the Explorer context menu? The Explorer context menu is when you right click some folder within the Explorer, right? So it's this menu right here. So the setting is false by default, but if you set it true, now you'll see this option, run npm script in folder, right? And you can run an npm script from within that folder. It would be the same thing as, for example, let's say you want to run the build script, right? So you can just open the console, doing it manually. Open the console and you go like npm build, right? And this is going to build the npm script. It's going to run the script from within the root folder. Now, if you want to run that from within another folder, you would have to cd there, right? And then npm build. Now, I'm not exactly sure on the use case for this setting. I can't, out of the top of my head, come up with an example where this would make sense without violating good practices. But you know, if the setting is here, it's just there's probably some use case for this. But anyway, I don't find this to be that useful. You know, if you do remember of a use case that does not violate a good practice, please leave a comment down below and I'll re-record the video with that example. But you know, this is what the setting does, and I'm leaving it set to false.